Space exploration has always been a fascination of human beings since the dawn of civilization. Over the years, space exploration has evolved into more than just a scientific endeavor. It has become a tool of geopolitics, a tool of power and a way to maintain dominance over others. In this video, we will discuss the relationship between space exploration and geopolitics.
All set for man. One giant leap for mankind.
Cosmonaut Yuri Gagarin made history at the age of 27 by completing a single orbit of Earth in approximately 108 minutes.
Choose to go to the moon in this decade and do the other things, not because they are easy, but because they are hard.
Chapter 1: History of Space Exploration. The history of space exploration dates back to the late 1950s, when the Soviet Union launched the first satellite, Sputnik 1, into orbit. This event marked the beginning of the space race between the US and the Soviet Union. Both countries were engaged in a fierce competition to demonstrate their technological superiority and to establish dominance in space. The space race culminated in the US landing the first humans on the moon in 1969. After the space race, space exploration continued to be an important part of international relations. The US and Russia continued to work together on various space missions, including the International Space Station. However, other countries have also started to take an interest in space exploration. Chapter 2: Geopolitics and Space Exploration. Geopolitics is the study of how geography, resources, and power affect international relations. Space exploration has become an important aspect of geopolitics because it has the potential to affect global power dynamics. Countries that have the ability to launch satellites and send humans into space have a significant advantage over those that do not. One of the ways that space exploration affects geopolitics is through the use of satellites. Satellites are used for a variety of purposes, including communication, navigation, and military surveillance. Countries that have access to more satellites have a strategic advantage over those that do not. For example, during the Gulf War, the US military used satellites to gather intelligence and target enemy positions. Space exploration is also important for national prestige. Countries that are able to successfully launch space missions and send humans into space are seen as technologically advanced and powerful. This is why many countries invest heavily in their space programs, even if they do not have a clear scientific or economic justification for doing so. Chapter 3: Space Exploration and International Cooperation. Although space exploration has been used as a tool of power in geopolitics, it has also been a source of international cooperation. The International Space Station is a prime example of this. ISS is a joint project between the US, Russia, Europe, Japan, and Canada. The countries work together to maintain the station and conduct scientific experiments. This collaboration shows that even countries with political differences can work together on a common goal. Finally, the conclusion. Space exploration has been an important part of geopolitics for decades. However, space exploration has also been a source of international cooperation, as seen with the International Space Station. As space exploration continues to evolve, it is important to remember that it has the potential to affect global power dynamics and should be used for the benefit of all humanity.